Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Hyundai EV warranty with Bluelink service status, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Hyundai EV warranty using the Bluelink service status, begin by ensuring you have the Bluelink app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the Bluelink app and log in with your registered account credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account and follow the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner of the app. Tap on the menu icon to reveal various options available within the app. Scroll down to find the service section and select it. In the service section, look for the warranty option and tap on it. This will direct you to the warranty details specific to your vehicle. You should see information about your vehicle's warranty coverage, including specific terms and duration. Review the details carefully to ensure you understand what is covered under your warranty. If you need to check your vehicle's service status as well, return to the main service menu. Select the option labeled Service Status to view the current condition of your vehicle's services. This section will provide information about any upcoming service appointments or necessary maintenance. If you have questions about your warranty coverage or service status, consider contacting Hyundai customer support through the app. They can provide additional assistance and clarify any uncertainties regarding your warranty. Finally, ensure your Bluelink app is updated regularly for the best experience and access to the latest features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.